Hello, this is Dimitri reporting from our Boxborough location. We're going to be checking out 2015 Toyota 4Runner. This is the car that we just brought in, and it's an amazing value. Let's check it out closer. You can find all the details about this vehicle on our website, AlphaCars.com, and if it is still available, you'll find it under our inventory listings. It's a 2015 Toyota 4Runner. It has just about 67,000 miles, and with this video, would like to show you the specific condition of this car, which is in great condition. So we're going to start from the left side, and just as I walk along, I'll report on any imperfections that I can see. The car just came in recently. It has not been fully reconditioned, but it's in great shape, and would like to share the details with you. So as we walk around, if I see any issues, I'm going to report them to you. The vehicle has a chip guard installed since it was new, and there's a small little scuff in the chip guard right here, and actually it's not in the paint. It looks kind of a lot worse than it is because it's really in the plastic that we can clean up. This is also right in the plastic. As we walk around, there's a little bit of gouging in the plastic. This is in the protective film. Please note that this is not the paint. The film can be removed, replaced, or you don't really have to do anything with it. It still provides the protection. The hood is nice. The film did a job. There are no chips. The windshield has one small chip right here. It's barely noticeable right there, but I'm going to point that out. And right side of the vehicle is in great shape. Rims are very nice, tires are in great condition, brakes too. Again, you can see all the details on our website. Our descriptions are very thorough and contain a lot of information about inspection of the car that was done by our technician. This car has some very nice options. It has almost $5,000 worth of options on top of the limited trim level, including third seat in the back, something very rare and very desirable. The interior is in unbelievable condition, very clean, nice color combination. Check this out, very nice. Sunroof. The driver's seat is in great condition. No bolster wear, something that you often see. Comes with the floor mats. Looks like a driver floor mat has a little spot there that we need to disclose, but otherwise floor mats are in great shape. Has an AC power outlet, 400 watts right there. And as you can see, the seat belts do give out that this car has a third seat. And let's check out the engine compartment. Oh, we already popped the hood. Wow, very clean, exceptional condition. Legendary Toyota engine with amazing reliability. Please give us a call, reach out. You can call us at 978-263-9000. You can email us to sales@alphacars.com, or simply contact us through the website, through the vehicle listing, or through contact us button, and we'll be happy to assist you with your questions about this car. We offer financing, transportation, If you have a very specific vehicle need and you don't see the vehicle on our website, we'll be happy to do a custom locate, as we've done for hundreds of customers during the 30 years being in business. Thank you very much for viewing this video from AlphaCars.